I'm Deanna Durante, and welcome to the Montgomery County Courthouse in Norristown. Every year, there are more than 4,000 custody complaints filed in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. The court has provided this video to help guide you through the process of filing a custody complaint from start to finish. Please remember, the information contained in this video is not intended to provide you with legal advice. Only a lawyer can do that, and representing yourself in a contested legal proceeding can be challenging, so you may wish to consider hiring an attorney to represent you. If you would like to consult with a lawyer, the Montgomery Bar Association Lawyer Referral Service can assist you at 610-994-3656. You can also request an online referral anytime by visiting the Bar Association's website at montgomerybar.org. If you decide to represent yourself, please keep in mind you will still be required to follow the same court procedures and be familiar with the rules of the court. The rules for custody matters are available on the county website and the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania website. Are you ready to join me on this step-by-step guide to filing custody action in Montgomery County? Okay, so the first step, come here to the Court Administration Office on the second floor of the courthouse. This office will have the forms you need to complete in order to start your custody case or to change an existing custody order that was entered previously. These forms are also conveniently available on the county website that I just mentioned. So if you prefer, you can complete them at home and bring them with you to the courthouse to file. To file your custody case, the first form you will have to complete is the Complaint for Custody form. You will need all of the following basic information to complete this form: the names and addresses of the parents, the names and birth dates of each child, where each child lives now and with whom, the addresses where each child has lived and with who they've lived with for the past 5 years, your relationship to each child, whether there has been any other custody orders entered in Montgomery County or elsewhere about this child. If there's been a custody order entered before, you should attach a copy of the last order to your petition. A copy can be printed out at court administration. The reasons why you are filing the petition, why the best interest and permanent welfare of the child or children will be served by granting the relief you are requesting. You must complete a form for yourself and for anyone living with you with information about any criminal record or abuse history, which can be found at the end of the Complaint for Custody form. The Court Administration Office will also attach a couple of additional forms to your complaint that are required in custody cases. By the way, as you complete these forms, you should note that the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania has enacted a public access policy to protect confidential information relating to children in custody cases. A series of videos that explain how this policy works is available on the website for Pennsylvania courts. The link is posted below. After all of the necessary paperwork has been completed in court administration, you will then proceed to the office of the Prothonotary. That's located on the first floor of the courthouse. All of the paperwork that you filled out at court administration must be filed in the Prothonotary's office on the first floor of the courthouse. Unless you qualify to proceed without payment, you must also be prepared to pay the filing fees set by the state that are associated with the filing of the paperwork. Now, you may be excused from paying certain court fees in a custody matter by filing a petition to proceed in forma pauperis. This form will be at the Prothonotary's office. To file the form, you will need to bring a photo ID and proof that you receive public assistance, medical assistance, or supplemental security income. If you do not receive these types of benefits but still wish to proceed, you must bring proof of your income. You will receive a time-stamped copy of the complaint that you file at the Prothonotary's office. After you are finished filing the complaint, you are required to serve a copy of all the paperwork that you filed with the court on the opposing party in your case. You may do this by regular mail, certified mail, or in person. After you serve it on the opposing party, you must file a certificate of service at the Prothonotary's office. This form will be in the packet you received at court administration. It is extremely important that this form be filled out so that the court will be sure that the other party in your case has been served and is aware of the filing. Okay, all of your paperwork has been filed. That was pretty straightforward, right? This concludes our journey through the custody filing process in Montgomery County. Thank you for joining me at the courthouse for this video, and best of luck to you and your family.